Ahem. This is a fellow broadcast speaker, calling my menu. Today's weather report. We have a low of 35 billion and a high of 36,135. I have some notes here. One was a meme of which I lost. I don't know where it is now, but let me check. I'm checking. I've completely lost it. All right. Yeah. That's basically all. There's no clouds. Nothing seems to be out of the ordinary. Everything is fine. Nothing is going to happen, and yeah, just continue on your way. Yeah. Okay. What is it this time? All right. Let's see here. Oh. We actually have some pretty big beef going on right now between the stadium of Iraros and Ugabagas. They were hold on. I don't really understand most of this. Most of the text here is just brain rot words. I think. What is Sigma? What are these words? I don't understand a single one of this. Who? Hold it. Hold. Who wrote this? What is wrong with you people? Never mind. My God, this better not be like that other time. Oh my God. Bro. Okay, it's not. It isn't. Thank God. Let me see. This one makes sense. A Fracture in Time was commissioned to release several new floors in the coming Sunday or Saturday this week. I think that is what it means at most. Overall, nothing will happen. The fracture will be small, and not much will be taken from any other floor, beside the one with the pink and black tiles. As which we are trying to get rid of those tiles to prevent further corruption on further floors, of which we will proceed to demolish all further expansions with pink and black dots to prevent corruption from escaping to the real world. What? Oh, okay, never mind. It did make sense. It did not make sense. I'm losing my brain cells. What is this real world they're talking about now? The people here are insane. I am sorry. I am not like them. Whoever these people are, stop repeating what you're saying, please. We all have dementia. We're all going to die here if we don't do something about this. Oh my God. Okay. Oh my God. I am so happy right now. You would get it. Oh my God. Sorry for the noises outside. They're having a construction party right now. I am not a part of it, but it is very near the room I am in, as of recording this. Anyways, back to the news. Something in Splitsville, I think, was created to stop people from jumping onto the crowd, of which is... hold on, wait, no. That's not what it says. I'm sorry, ow. My eyes hurt. I haven't slept in 9 months. I haven't drank coffee yet. Okay. I'm trying to lock in here. This is not okay. Okay, as I was trying to say, they were trying to prevent people from jumping onto the crowds and making it so that people could not, hold on, the rest is cut out. I don't know what happened. I had the full paper here earlier. Oh my God. I don't want to speak to the people again. Oh my God. Whatever. Hey! Excuse me, people. Was there rain earlier? I kind of forgot about that. Oh, shoot, wait, I don't think they can hear me from here. You know, I really wondered what happened in like that, the place, from earlier that I kind of spoke about. The audio is kind of broken right now. I'm not sure how I could fix this on my own. We do have mechanics here. I'm not sure how they could help with this, but they added borders to the walls so that they could be fixed properly, and so people could jump over to the audiences. But these walls were made invisible by serrated glass. The camera, bro. This is not okay. This recording has gone on for too long now. I'm sorry. I'm sorry. Okay. Today's news is about a car crash that happened, somewhere, it was a while before someone drowned in, a ball pit at the play palace that was 400 years old or something. They died, and then some other dude, got, like, crashed by like, a few cars or something. I'm not sure what happened exactly. The person who died, came back to life and then began murdering people, anyone that he saw. People also noticed that the man's eyes had turned red, apparently out of curiosity. No, that's not the word. Furiosity. Yes, that's the word. Okay. Yes. This work is really difficult for me, especially knowing how stupid this place can be. I have worked here for less than 2 years. I have not felt happy once here. I have no other place to go, and I don't want to leave here because the elevator that connects everything in this place is so dang scary. I don't know why that is so. It is an elevator, and I have seen people come here and leave from here. I don't know how to fix it. I don't know how we or anybody could stop it. I don't know how this even works. I don't think anyone does. And it's probably why we all have dementia here anyways, because of the floors being randomized, and, like, everything is just out of order, elevators going down, power outage, utilities going offline, what not and what will. You make of what you must. I don't know for exact what we have to do, or what anybody has to do to fix this problem. I, myself, have tried many times to stop the elevator from going anywhere at all. None of these abilities have worked, and I think it's probably for the best that it continues moving anyway. Reason why? Because it's an elevator. It's supposed to move. Yeah, I'm pretty stupid. I'm not going to lie. I don't know who else would try to stop it, but if you do, please do not contact me furthermore, and please release the elevator and do not attempt to close it. Please let the elevator move at all costs. If you die, it is your fault because you are a loser and you do not deserve to live. Thank you for listening. Bye. I was getting a lot of comments on a previous newscast that said that I sounded like Gumball, apparently. From what people were assuming, no, I am not Gumball. Gumball is not even. I don't. You mean like the you mean like the candy? I don't know who else you could be talking about. I have never been on the internet, actually. This is genuinely like my first time or so. I am a dwarf person. Yes. If you understood more, I would gladly appreciate it if you didn't call me whoever this Gumball person is. Furthermore, I will assume that this Gumball person is not human. Probably cat. Wow. You know, if there's somebody who looks like this Gumball person, I would gladly meet them and discuss this with them to associate their name and whoever they are away from me. Thank you. Anyways, to the news now. Like, genuinely. Several houses were bought and combined into several new floors. One was called, floppy disk, where I think there was, this girl, who I'm not sure who they were exactly, but I think they were with, no, they were friends with somebody else. the friend, whoever it was, dropped them off on the floor of the shop, and they just kind of appeared back on the place that they usually go. Uh, I'm confused. I bet everybody probably is. Um, it's not my fault. I have done nothing wrong. Why do I always gotta go through this? Another thing. Hold on. Let's see. This was a while ago, but Renovator being sued for $600 and 4 million tax revenue lost because of mother losing her child in riverbed on floor 1,535,926 to 49, whatever this big no, what this big number is. How did they get there? What? I recently started using the elevator now, and it actually seems pretty useful. I mean, on the off chance you might die anyway, I don't really care. It's fun. It's fun. Shit, and I'm regretting so much more now, only knowing that I might die on the off chance. No more news, no more funny man voice. But I don't care if I die. I don't care anymore. This is fun. And I'm having so much fun doing so. I don't even know what I can do with all of this. Whatever I can do, I'm not sure what I'm going to do with this power, now that I know and understand how it works. However, the people, I know you want to see who they were. Um, it was just one guy, actually. He told me about all the other people. That was how I understood. He said something about one having glasses white as sun drops. I don't even remember the rest. I am just so confused because I felt like I was just in a trance whenever he started speaking. I couldn't even move. Like, I genuinely couldn't. Every time he said one word, I would just stare at him. And I wouldn't even move. And I couldn't even feel anything. He is the reason why I am scared of the elevator in the first place. And it genuinely isn't that I might die. It isn't. It isn't. It isn't. It isn't. Yet I'm having fun on the elevator anyway. Reason why? uh, excuse me. I have seen the dude in other places. Also, I'm not sure what happened, but for some reason he just looks pink and black. I'm not sure. I'm not sure what it is. He has like this weird like target eye thing, and like weird cape and stuff. I'm not even sure what is going to happen. That is the. Ah!
It's nice seeing you here. How is it going? Found anything new yet? Or are you still searching these halls? Again, I've been trying to get your attention more eagerly every time, hoping you would understand. You don't belong here. You never did. You should leave. And for the only reason I can think of is that you aren't a part of what we are. You need to leave.
I can still see you. You will not move any part of you when I'm speaking to you. You will look at me, and so will I. I will see you, and you will see me too. But they won't. They don't know. They'll never know. I'm here, waiting to capture you and your people. You'll never see me. You never will. You'll never find me. You never will. You'll never know. You'll because you are